Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you're cooking with gas. Gas. You see it. Today, we making Lucky Me Chow noodles. I picked this up at the Asian supermarket. Hot chili flavored. I boil the noodles for 3 minutes in some boiling water. And we're going to mix the seasoning, soy sauce, and whatever this is with the seasoning. Mix that together on a plate. After the noodles boil, drain them, mix them in with this. Be back. So I got whatever mixture this is, soy sauce and whatever that is. I don't know if it's squeezed cheese or what. Now I'm going to add the seasoning to it. Just add the seasoning to it, and I'm going to give it a mix. It's weird. We're going to try it out. There you have it. Lucky Me chili noodles. Go give it a taste, see what they taste like. Not that appealing to me. Didn't doctor them up or anything, just eating them as is. I'll let you know, let me see. Good flavor. A little bit of heat. They're good. Nothing special though. There you have it. Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you're cooking with gas. Gas. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.